Okay. So, not perfect, right? I am trying to get used to this bucket because the thumb roll to open and close the grapple is backwards from my last machine, and I had that one for, oh man, I had that thing for like 11, 12 years, and it was the only machine I had at the time. So I mean, it's just trying to get used to using something backwards that you've done for 11, 12 years one way. I'll get used to it. Actually, I won't get used to it because I think it's stupid. I'm gonna reverse the lines, because when you roll your thumb in, so like towards your body, right? So like, to me, this would be in. In should be closed. Just like when you curl a bucket on an excavator, you scoop inward. Out should always be open. Out, in. Get it? So to me, that's dumb. Anyways, rambling. I have more wood chips coming in soon. They're kind of hard to spread because they're brush chips. They're not log chips, so there's sticks and stringy stuff in them. I'll take the pitchfork and knock them around the trees. I'm not gonna. But this is where that trailer was. I got everything loaded up on the truck, getting rid of that. And I don't know if you could see it, but there was a pile of tires here. My wife, my son, and I still got a couple things to pick up, but my wife and my son and I stacked all the tires in this shipping container, and I gotta pick up that's my cup I used. That's all the leaves and water I took out of the tires with my hand, scooping them out. A couple cups there. So my thought is, see all these tires? My thought is, if I clean the water out, there won't be no bugs, because there won't be stagnant water in the summer heat, so that'll cut down on mosquitoes. Those are 2 spare rims from my Peterbilt. But I have I got a phone call into somebody about taking these. I don't know what they charge yet. I just left a message. They're not open, but a company to come and take them, and then I want to cut up this storage container and get rid of it because it's starting to rot. I used to keep a skid steer in here a long time ago, but I just want to clean up my property just in case. You never know. You never know. Might get a good deal. My house value's coming up. If I gotta leave, I want to be able to pick up and leave. I don't want to be cleaning stuff up at the last minute. So I'm going to clean everything up here, and I'm going to make my property real nice. No more dirt piles. And if I stay, I'm going to build a garage right here, so I would have had to clean up this stuff anyways. This is just years of business stuff that accumulates. I got time to do it now. With the corona stuff going on, coronavirus stuff. So anyways, that's it for cleaning that up. All cleaned up. We'll put some more wood chips down. I'm gonna get the backpack blower and blow the chips that I dribbled on the way over with the machine. And next project's gonna be probably getting rid of that big pile of loam, and then spreading that sandy fill in the low area where it was so it drains. And then I think I'm going to plant grass back there and just have a nice field to walk the dog. Alright guys, have a good one.